Today we're here to take a look at the ultimate Campers X25, the pinnacle of the South Coast manufacturer's hybrid camper trailers. Now, what exactly is it that makes these things worthy of the ultimate name? Well, there's a few things, and it's not just the unique styling. These things are unbelievably capable off-road, and it's due in no small part to their weight. This one, the X25, is fully spec'd up with all of the accessories you can imagine, and it's still around the 1100 kilo mark. And that light weight directly translates into a light tow ball weight as well. It's right around 80 kilos too. I'm not sure if you can see the Everest we're towing it with, but even with the coil sprung standard rear suspension, there isn't an inch of droop with the X25 hitched onto the rear. Now, that fiberglass body rides nice and high on fully independent suspension. This one is the standard coil spring and shock arrangement, but you can option up for an airbag setup as well if you feel like adjusting your camper to get that bed just a little bit more level. Now, that fiberglass body does mean a couple of things. It means it's incredibly lightweight. It also means it's quite spacious and it's easy to repair as well. With some of the campers on the market, if you dent it, you're possibly damaging subframes and that kind of thing internally in the bodywork. This is reasonably straightforward. Any fiberglass repair place can fix it for you. This one is the X25, which means a special edition paint job though. There's only 25 of these made, so don't damage this one too much. Now, the full chassis, drawbar, suspension and the lower quarter of the body have all been rhino lined, and it's riding on 305/65 R17 Mickey Thompson ATZ P3 all-terrain tyres. Now, that is something that you don't typically see on a lot of camper trailers. A lot of even high-end manufacturers these days are using off-brand tyres, so to see a big name brand on there really shows that they're not cutting any corners with the manufacturing here. Now, when it comes to storage, you are not going to be disappointed with the range from Ultimate Campers. It comes with what can best be described as a front boot. It's a voluminous storage section up the front, accessible from both sides. It's fully sealed too, making the perfect place to put your bedding, your pillows, your bags of clothes, that sort of thing, without worrying about it getting full of red dirt. Now, there are a few things in that space already. The X25 comes standard with a jerry can holder in there. This model also has the full 24-volt Victron upgrade. Now, Ultimate Campers have fitted up that gruntier electrical setup to power an air conditioning setup. Now, air conditioners aren't exactly unique now in the camper trailer market. There are quite a few manufacturers putting them in. Generally, you're going to have to be in a caravan park plugged into mains power to run them. Not with the 20-volt Victron setup. That will run it for about 5 to 6 hours just off the batteries, which is perfect if it's sweltering hot. You can turn it on here and there to really cool yourself down. Now, of course, if you are in a caravan park, you can plug it into mains power and use it off that. Now, that setup is reverse cycle as well, so that means if you are on mains power somewhere, you can actually use it to heat the tent. If you're off-grid though, your better bet is using the included gas heater system. Now, it does a couple of things. It heats the tent, it heats the water for the sink, it also heats the shower as well. There's a full zip-on external shower outside with a typical mixer. It makes it quite a simple unit to use. That's all controllable inside as well, and one of my favourite little features about it, there's actually a removable duct that you can slide up and into your sleeping bag, perfect for those cold Victorian winter nights. I promise you, you are not going to be cold in the X25 camper. Moving back, there is a dedicated gas bottle locker. Now, that has your main gas bottle in there and also a secondary one, so if you run out in the middle of the night, you can go and turn it on. It's a pretty straightforward affair. There's also stop valves in there, one for the heater system, one for the stovetop, and one for an external barbecue point. You will notice that there are attachments here for an external table you can set up with a barbecue for external cooking. Now, the reason for that external cooking is the main cooking in an Ultimate Camper is done inside. Moving inside, and there is a full 3-burner stovetop, as well as an integrated sink. Now, in the X25, that is all going to be recessed into a carbon fiber benchtop. Depending on what Ultimate Camper you get, depends on the finish of the benchtop. There's also extensive storage space inside with a drop-down shelf, a deep pantry, and a drawer setup similar to what you're going to find in a holiday house. This model also comes standard with a Bushman upright fridge, which is really great to see in there because it means if it's the middle of the night, you're after a drink, it's just there. You're not getting out fumbling around with drawers and slides and that kind of thing. It makes a really functional unit. And that's all backed up with a full leather U-shaped lounge as well, and a swivel out table, meaning that you and the whole family can eat inside out of the weather. Now, moving underneath from the bench top, you're going to find an array of switches and screens. All of your lighting is controlled in here, internal and external. The internal lighting is dimmable as well, which is fantastic to see. And a lot of the internal and external lighting can be shifted between white and orange, which is really going to help with the mosquitoes. In there, you've also got the full Victron control panel. It is going to show you exactly what your electrical system is doing, whether it's charging from the included 310 watt solar, AC from mains power, or through the vehicle if your tow vehicle is running. It's also going to show you the water levels. There's 165 litres of included water in the X25 and a 55 litre grey water tank, which means your kitchen sink isn't going to dump everywhere on the dirt, turning your campsite into mud. Now, next to that, you've also got controls for the air conditioning and for the gas heating system. Tucked in alongside, there is a full Bluetooth Fusion stereo. It's going to hook directly to your phone, but it can run AM and FM radio as well. There's 4 speakers total in the setup, 2 internally and 2 externally. Now, those speakers are controllable independently, so if you want to go to bed and put on a little bit of Barry White, your neighbours aren't going to know what you're up to. Mum and Dad are in for one of the best night's sleep that they're ever going to have in a camper trailer. The X25 comes with a memory foam king size bed. It does concertina and it normally lives on the lounge, so you are going to have to physically manhandle that up into place. It is a little bit of a lift, but it's definitely a one-person job and it is well worth it. I personally would not trade it for a lighter, less comfortable mattress. It is well worth the effort. Once you're up there too, you are behind a full privacy screen, which is fantastic. There's also pockets at the bed head, so you can put your phone, your wallet, your keys, that kind of thing. There's also 12 volt power up there if you want to charge your phone while you're sleeping, and reading lights on all 4 corners of the bed. This model comes with a full 360 wraparound awning as well. It's going to stick out about 1 metre in every direction around the camper, so not exactly huge for living space. It does mean that you can move around the camper when it is flogging down rain as well. It is hands down the easiest awning I have ever fitted, and I normally hate it. If you know anything about my camper reviews, you know that I hate awnings with a passion. This thing is fantastic. All up, it adds probably about 3 minutes to the setup process. The fiberglass poles simply click in, pull it down, that is it. It's as simple as that. There are little latches that you can hook through if you think it's going to be a windy night. There's also little pouches that have got pre-installed carabiners and peg ropes, so if you want to peg it down, that's all there and it's nice and easy as well. Pegging the whole thing down will only add a couple of minutes as well. Now, depending on what model Ultimate campers you get, this setup is going to be similar but a little bit different. This one is optioned up with an electronic strut. So basically it is a side opening camper. You undo the latches, it lifts over. This just does the heavy lifting for you. Personally, I would pay the extra because, well, basically I like gadgets. Now, all up with 2 people, you're looking at about a 5 to 10 minute setup time. That means 5 minutes after pulling up at the campsite, you're going to have a king size bed set up, the air conditioning's on, the shower's ready to run, and a barbecue set up for external cooking. Now, if you ask me, that makes this not only one of the quickest campers to set up, but also one of the most well appointed. Of course, there's only so much time we can talk about things on YouTube, so if you want to read the full review, grab the latest issue of 4x4 Australia magazine, or head to the Ultimate Campers website to get the full specs.